In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in a Notion database. If you are working with budgets, expenses, sales figures, or any other financial data inside Notion, setting the correct currency format can make your database much easier to read and much more professional. Instead of showing plain numbers, Notion can display those values in the currency you actually want to use, which helps avoid confusion and keeps everything consistent. To begin, go to the Notion database where your number values are stored. Find the column that uses a number property, since that's the property type that allows you to apply currency formatting. Once you've found it, click the column name at the top of that database. This opens the menu for that specific property and gives you access to its settings. From the menu that appears, select Edit Property. This is where Notion lets you control how that column behaves and how the values are displayed. If you are updating an existing finance tracker or setting up a new database, this is the area you'll use anytime you want to change the formatting of that number field. Next, click Number Format. This option controls the visual style of the numbers in that column. Notion gives you several formatting choices. And this is where you can switch from a standard number display to a currency-based display. It's important to remember that this changes how the values are shown, making them easier to interpret at a glance. Now choose your desired currency from the list. Once you select it, the numbers in that column will update to reflect the new currency format. This means the values will display with the appropriate symbol and style, based on the currency you picked. It's a quick change, but it can make a big difference in the clarity of your database, especially if you share it with teammates or use it for reporting. If you manage multiple databases, it's a good idea to double-check that the same currency format is being used wherever needed, so your financial information stays consistent across your workspace. Also, make sure you are editing the correct column before applying the change, especially if your database includes several number properties. That's all it takes to change currency in a Notion database. It's a simple adjustment, but it can instantly make your setup cleaner and more useful. Thanks for watching.